Hello guys, now the next command we are about to have a look at is a special form of the list command. Now the only difference is that this list command gives you a list of hidden files in your current directory. Now by default, anytime you want to view the content in a current directory, all what you need to do is run um, ls, right, and press enter. Now all these files and folders, or most of these files and folders, are visible in your directory. That means you can see them. Now, there are also hidden files here that you can't view with just this ls command. Now, if you want to view hidden files in your current directory, you need to run a special form of the list command. Now, anytime you want to view hidden files and folders in the current directory, all what you need to do is run the ls command, bring a space, and then add this flag. Add this flag, don't forget. So you bring a dash and you bring a. Now, this is called a flag. Now, a flag is a way of specifying an option of a command line program. Now, this is a command line program, that is the ls. Now, this ls lists the contents in the current directory. Now, anytime you add this flag, it's going to add hidden files to that table of contents, right? So now let's press enter and see. Now, when you press enter, you can see that um, at the beginning you can see there are folders and files that begin with a period. Now all these files and folders that begin with a period are all hidden files. So as you can see, all these are hidden files and folders, right? Now most of the folders and files that you can see begin from this 3D objects, as you can see right there, this 3D objects going down. Now let's run the ls command again without the special flag. So let's clear our screen. You run ls. Now as you can see, we don't have the hidden files here again. Now anytime you want to see the hidden files, all you need to do is run ls and then add your special flag, that is the dash a. As you can see, we have our hidden files and folders right there. So this is the function of this special form of list command. See you in the next session, guys.